Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Today in this video I will explain some paragraph of your first chapter. But before that, you all will have to place your book in front of you so that you can look at the paragraph and I will teach you. So as you knew in the summary that this story is about Patrick, who was a kind of lazy boy and did not like to do homework at all. So before starting the explanation, look at your book. There are some questions about the chapter's name related to the homework. So you all have to write the answer of all these three questions and send me on my WhatsApp number. So now let's start the explanation. So look at the paragraph. Patrick never did homework. Too boring, he said. He played hockey and basketball and Nintendo instead. Nintendo, as I told you yesterday, it's a name of video game. His teachers told him, Patrick, do your homework or you won't learn a thing. And it's true. Sometimes he did feel like an ignoramus. Ignoramus means ignorant person who lacks education. But what could he do? He hated homework. So in the first paragraph, it is said that Patrick never used to do homework. He used to say that homework is too boring, not interesting at all. So instead of doing homework, he loved to play hockey, basketball, Nintendo and others game. That's why his teacher used to say him that Patrick, work hard, pay attention on your studies and complete your homework every day. Otherwise, you will waste your time only and also you will not be able to learn anything. It means you cannot learn anything without doing homework. So when his teacher told him that do your homework, otherwise you will not be able to do anything or learn anything. So the Patrick used to feel bad about himself and also felt himself like a fool and an ignorant person. And he thought that his teacher is right, but he could not do anything because he did not like doing any homework. Instead, he liked to play only. इट मीन्स पहले पैराग्राफ में पैट्रिक कहता है कि होमवर्क बिल्कुल भी इंटरेस्टिंग चीज़ नहीं है, ये बहुत ही बोरिंग काम है, तो वो कभी भी होमवर्क नहीं करता था. इसकी वजह से उसके टीचर उससे हमेशा कहते थे, पैट्रिक होमवर्क किया करो, मेहनत करो, पढ़ाई पर ध्यान दो, वरना तुम कुछ भी सीख नहीं पाओगे. लेकिन फिर भी वो होमवर्क नहीं करता था क्योंकि वो उसे होमवर्क से नफरत थी, वो होमवर्क को हेट करता था. He did not like homework. But sometimes he feels that whatever his teacher is saying, that is right. But वो होमवर्क करता नहीं था. Now look at the paragraph number 2. Then one day he found his cat playing with a little doll and he grabbed it away. To his surprise, it wasn't a doll. It wasn't a doll at all, but a man of the tiniest size. He had a little woolen shirt with old-fashioned breeches. Breeches means a short trouser, and a high tall hat, much like a witch. Witch means magician. He yelled. Yelled means shouted. Save me. Don't give me back to that cat. I'll grant you a wish. I promise you that. So Patrick's habit was not doing homework was going on. Then one day what happened? His cat was playing with a little doll. He saw that. It means Patrick has a pet animal, that is a cat. One day he saw that his cat was playing with a little doll. So he went close to that cat and grabbed it. Grabbed means snatch. It means Patrick took that little doll away from that cat. But he was surprised and amazed when he got that doll in his hand, because that was not a doll at all. Instead, it was a very small-sized man who was wearing a woolen shirt and old-fashioned breeches. Breeches means, as I told you, short trouser. And also, that tiniest man was wearing a tall hat, as you can see in the picture of your book, and his hat was like a magician's hat. In short, एक दिन पैट्रिक ने देखा कि उसकी बिल्ली जो है किसी गुड़िया के साथ खेल रही है, तो उसको उसके करीब गया और उसको बिल्ली से छीन लिया। लेकिन उसको ये देख करके बहुत ताज्जुब हुआ कि जिसको वो बिल्ली समझ रहा था वो बिल्ली नहीं थी, बल्कि एक बहुत छोटा सा आदमी था। So when that tiny man came into the hand of Patrick, he just shouted, "Patrick, please save me. Please save me from this cat, and don't put me back in front of that cat. And I promise you, if you save me from this cat, I'll grant you a wish. It means I will fulfill your one wish, whatever you want. So please save me from this cat." सो बिल्ली ने वो छोटी सी जो गुड़िया थी लग रही थी, लेकिन वो छोटा सा एक आदमी था। उसने पैट्रिक से कहा कि पैट्रिक, मुझे इस बिल्ली से बचा लो और इसके बदले में मैं तुम्हारी एक विश पूरी कर दूंगा। मैं इसका वादा करता हूँ तुमसे। सो दिस इज़ योर टुडेज लेसन, एंड टुमारो आई विल कंटिन्यू द एक्सप्लेनेशन, and I hope you all have understood it very well. Thank you very much for watching this video.